Everyone, welcome to Onsite. So today we'll be seeing how you can return your materials to vendors back, and also how you can raise a debit note to the vendor. So first of all, let's go to the Onsite application. So this is the home page. Once you enter, all the projects are displayed. So let me open one of my project. So Tapewood Mansion is one of my running project. After opening, you will click on the plus button. So you get all of these options here. So I am creating a material return for the vendor, so I will select the material return option, add the party name, that is my vendor name. So let's say I am transferring it back to Sri Lakshmi Traders. Okay, then I will click on add material. I will select the material I am transferring, let's say cement. Next, so here I will add the quantity, like 50 bags I am returning to the vendor. Automatic the purchase rate will be displayed here. Any change in the rate you can do that. Any additional charges, like I am returning, so there are some vehicle charges, so I can add that, or labor unloading loading charges, and discount, GST, notes, reference number, and photo. All of these option you have, then you can just save it. So this is how you create material return for the vendors. Now let's see how you can create debit note, or how you can raise a debit note for the vendor. So again, click on the plus button in the transaction tab. You get this option under payment of debit note. Click on debit note. So let's select the party. So let's take the same vendor, Sri Lakshmi Traders. We will add an item. Click on a new item. So let's say this debit note is for the bricks. Quantity, let's say for 20 quantity. Unit rate was at 45. I can mention a category like it was for civil work. I can add a description and HSN code further. So this unit I can take this as numbers. I'm changing it to numbers. GST, you can change the GST to 0 or any number. You can add any GST number there from the drop down. Now I will just save it. So here also I can attach images, add reference number, add notes, and you just save the debit note. So this is how you can create the debit note for the vendors. And from the party section you can see the for Sri Lakshmi Traders. So let's search Sri Lakshmi Traders. So see, we have created a material return of 18,000. We also have raised a debit note of 900. So this is how you can create a material return and also raise a debit note for the vendors. Thank you.